So, why is it better to do leverage spot trading on Zeru versus other options you have available to you on the market? Well, let's have a brief on how some other platforms offer leverage spot trading. First, other platforms that offer leveraged spot trading allow you to pick your entry token, which one you borrow, help you manage your health factor, and so on. You can go long or short. The fees generated, regardless of how they're structured, go to the platform and the team to help fund development and pay their operational costs. This all makes sense. It's fully above board, and I'm not trying to say otherwise. With leveraged spot trading on Zeru, users can take a leveraged position by borrowing additional capital to go long or short on an asset. Leverage amplifies the potential returns, but also increases risk as losses are magnified in the same way as gains. Therefore, users can potentially earn higher profits by taking larger positions using leverage. So, with Zeru, you largely get the same offering. You can pick your entry token, which token is borrowed, and of course you can go long or short. Your health factor has to remain above 1 or else you'll get liquidated. The big difference starts to come when we talk about your Z-score and the fees generated. Using leveraged spot trading has an impact on your Z-score. In this case, if things go well, your Z-score will go up thanks to your successful usage of leveraged trading. On top of that, yes, you will pay a fee for using the product. However, the fees generated are also turned into credit tokens. Once you have a high enough Z-score and have amassed a sufficient number of credit tokens, those credit tokens represent the amount you can borrow collateral free. So not only can you continue using Zeru and the DeFi strategies that the Zeru AI finds and enables for you, you can do it by borrowing others' funds without putting up collateral, and with the full knowledge that the fees previously generated are also backing an insurance fund to help cover liquidations. Your activity on Zeru benefits you and others beyond the profits generated. Let's take a look at how this happens. So we have here on the markets page our leverage trading position here. We can open a position. I'm a minnow. Forgive these paltry numbers on Berachain bArtio's testnet. But I've got, let's say, 2 USDC. I'm going to deposit from my wallet. I'm pretty bullish on wBera, but I don't want to go too crazy, so I'm going to go 2x long. And you can see that my health factor is going to be 1.6. Estimated credit fees and tokens that this will generate is small. Obviously, this is a small number. And if everything goes well, my Z-score, it's estimated, will go from 6.33 to 31.33. That would be a nice little increase. I'm trying to get over 100 here. So you see the recent prices for wBera, and I'm going to go long. So I've already approved the token. Normally you would need to do that if you're depositing USDC into this contract for the first time. I've already done that, so I'm going to go straight to review and confirm. Yeah, this all looks good. 24 cents in transaction fees. That's fine. I know things have been really popping on the Berachain bArtio testnet, and I'm going to confirm. Perfect. So my position has been opened successfully, and I should be able to see it back on the markets page. Yes, there we go. So I can see my strategy here, how much of the funds are locked, how much are borrowed, and my health factor. So far, I've gained nothing, but it doesn't really matter. This is all funny money on Berachain's testnet, so that's fine. So when you're back on the markets page, you can take a look at any of the positions you have available. I've got some derivatives positions here that I opened a little while ago. Apparently I'm down on those. That's unfortunate. And some leverage trading here as well, which I'm also down on. But like I said, it doesn't really matter right now. I will be much smarter about my derivatives and my longs or shorts once we're on mainnet. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you have any questions, just contact the team.